Hello there, it's Avinam Nirola. I'm back here with my new video. Guys, the IPL exploits are fully on as each and every team of the tournament are trying to make things more and more competitive. Here we have another competitive fixture coming up between two sides that haven't lifted the IPL trophy so far, Royal Challengers Bangalore and Punjab Kings. Let's preview. Do like, share and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel as well. On 30th of April 2021, the Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad is going to host this encounter due to the contrasting nature of the pitches present within this venue. T20 encounters involving the run chases of either 140 to 160 runs or 180 to 200 runs are witnessed time and again in this venue. Now, it's in the curators' hands to either pick the reddish-brown pitch or not for this matchup. If it gets picked, do expect the ball to stop and break while bowling it into the surface. Those seamers that prefer variations over conventional bowling might also succeed out there. The good length area might be the go-to area on such a surface for pacers. But if it doesn't get the votes, do expect a belter to be high up on the cards. Do expect the pacers to get a bit of assistance for swing bowling up front, followed by a batting masterclass throughout on such a track. It looks like the modern T20 trend, or rather principle, is to win the toss and opt to chase any kind of a total, but I feel that it's better off batting first if the reddish-brown surface comes into the act, as the surface is expected to slow down as the match proceeds on. Anyways, dew plays a huge role at the Narendra Modi Stadium historically, so do expect the toss-winning side to opt to field first. Punjab Kings, Lokesh Rahul captain and wicket-keeper, Mayank Agarwal, David Malan, Deepak Hooda, Nicholas Pooran, Moises Henriques, Shahrukh Khan, Chris Jordan, Arshdeep Singh, Ravi Bishnoi and Mohammad Shami. PVKs have been constantly demanding stability from the big man Gale, but since he hasn't been offering enough resilience at the moment, do expect Malan, a T20 pro, to replace him for at least some while. Lokesh's failure means a collapse for this side that's hurting big time for PVKs. The Purans, the Henriques and the Malans need to offer some resilience if PVKs are to make a move on from here on. As usual, they have completed half of the tournament in finding out their right combination. It's time to display consistency and make a strong comeback. Royal Challengers Bangalore, Virat Kohli captain, Devdutt Padikkal, Rajat Patidar, Glenn Maxwell, AB de Villiers wicket-keeper, Washington Sundar, Daniel Sams, Kyle Jamieson, Harshal Patel, Yuzvendra Chahal and Mohammad Siraj. The top 5 looks on song at the moment, but that's it for RCB in the batting department. RCB tried their best to take the spotlight off their top order and focus on the whole lineup by bringing in Christian, but he seemed to not be in touch in previous games, so the problem remains same. What if a collapse comes on? After a very long time, RCB looked like a formidable bowling side courtesy Patel and Siraj's golden run. They have that opportunity to regain number 1, so do expect them to give their best on the basis of their top 5 and their bowlers. Rahul has a brilliant record against RCB, but he also has a terrible track record in this venue. I feel that he might turn out to be the difference between these sides. His wicket looks everything to me at the moment. I'm backing Rahul to make his first big move at the Narendra Modi Stadium to register a surprise victory for his side. Take care.